In this video, I will give you a full review of the platform Bitflex, where you can leverage trade Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. If you want to create an account on Bitflex, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you will automatically get the best sign-up bonuses possible. You can get up to $100 of bonuses. You will automatically participate in monthly giveaways, and you can also pick up some other bonuses that will change over the different months. But of course, if you create an account with the link, you will always be eligible for the best bonuses possible. First of all, the platform Bitflex is definitely focused only on the most important things that you need in order to leverage trade. So there's not a lot of stuff going on right here, unnecessary things that you don't need. It's primarily focused just on everything you need to leverage trade. So first of all, I want to show you the deposit process, which I think is very simple, and you have everything you need. You just go up here to your assets, click on deposit. You can choose the currency you want to deposit, US dollar Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the big ones are here. You can choose a network, you get your deposit address right here, and you can send money to it. Of course, that works for all different currencies as well. To leverage trade with the money in here, you need it in US dollar Tether because they only support USDT margin futures. So to convert one into another, for example, if you have deposited Bitcoin, you can just go up here to trade and then click on convert. And you can, for example, convert your Bitcoin without any fees into US dollar Tether and then use it to leverage trade on the platform. What's currently not possible, unfortunately, is to deposit with fiat money. So if you have US dollars, euro, British pound, or anything like that, you cannot deposit that directly. I would just recommend you buy crypto on another exchange, on Coinbase, Binance, whatever exchange you want to use. I also have other tutorials for that on my channel. And then you simply send the crypto, as I've shown you, best case already in US dollar Tether, as I've shown you right here to Bitflex. Next, let's talk about the crypto trading platform. If you just go up here to derivatives, this will be the leverage trading platform where you can execute and monitor all of your trades. You can choose the trading pair up here. You have basically all the most important ones visible right here. In my case, I primarily only use Bitcoin and Ethereum anyways. You can choose them. Then you get the trading view chart right here. You get the order book, also the selling orders and buying orders in the market up here. You get your recent trades that you can see. Down here, you can see your open positions and your orders, your order history as well. You will see your assets down here. You can also transfer from your spot account to your derivatives account. For example, if you have deposited it and you will not see it in here first, you can see your money here on your spot account and then just type an amount and transfer it to your trading account to use it to leverage trade with it. And then here, of course, you can execute all of your trades. So first of all, let's talk about the visuals right here. You can get rid of all of these things here from TradingView like that, and you will see the price chart. You can choose the time frame, so everything very nice for that. Let's next talk about a little bit about the fees. So the funding fees, which are pretty similar to basically all other big exchanges, you can see them up here. You can also see the countdown and read everything about it here if you want to do so. And for the order fees, you can just go here up here to my fees. Then you can go to derivatives and then you can see all the different trading fees. So if you are in here, the basic fees are, the trading fees are for a maker fee. So if you're using a limit order, 0.015%, which is pretty low compared to other exchanges, and a taker fee of 0.06%, which is pretty common and comparable to basically all the other big leverage trading exchanges. What's also great is if your trading volume in the last 30 days exceeds any of these different thresholds, your trading fees will also lower quite a bit. So if you're trading a lot on the platform, you can even decrease your fees that way. All right, so that's it for the fees. They are definitely completely fine. Now let's look into the process of opening a position. We can do that by going here into open. We can choose a limit or a market order. Then we can choose our leverage right here. Unfortunately, they only have these fixed numbers. So that's a little bit fixed for that. In my case, it doesn't really matter because I'm using 2x, 5x, 10x, or 25 are the numbers I would use anyways. So we can just choose a number in here. We can type in the amount, for example, US dollar Tether. You can use the slide controller, which would choose how much percent of your own money you want to use. Let's say, for example, I want to put $100 of my own money. I can also type it in here like that. Click on, for example, open a long position. I will see how much money of my own money am I using. So that equals a position size of almost $500 because, of course, this times 5 because I'm using a 5x leverage. I can directly see also the amount in Bitcoin, and down here my liquidation price. I can just click on confirm and the position is opened. I can see everything down here that's important, the leverage, the Bitcoin trade. I can see by the screen indicator that's a long position, the entire position size, my entry price, the liquidation price. So if I don't have a stop loss at this point, my entire position would be liquidated. I would lose all of my margin. basically my own capital that's in the trade, which is these $100. I can also edit my margin. I could add something, increase my margin or decrease my margin to change up the liquidation price that way. And if I see in here, I can also see my profit or loss currently. In this case, I'm 7 cents in a loss because the price dropped a little bit. And I can add a take profit and stop loss. The take profit and stop loss is super nice. If I click on that, as you will see, I can set a certain price. For example, let's say at $34,000, I want to close the position and I can see directly everything important. That would mean a 12.1% price increase from my entry price. So the price has to go up 12%. I would make a $58 profit, and it would mean a 60% return on invest of my own capital. So this number, of course, equals the 12% price increase, because I'm using a 5x leverage, times 5 would mean a 60% return on invest of my own capital, and also calculates me, because I'm using $100 in this trade, a $60 profit almost. Same works for the stop loss. I can also use the slide controller. Let's say the price goes down 2%. That would mean, of course, in my case, a 10% loss because times 5 and a $9 loss for me. So I can switch these numbers up and then click on confirm, and I've set the take profit and stop loss that way. Very nice, very convenient. I really like the take profit and stop loss editor and how you can edit them. If you scroll up a little bit, unfortunately, you cannot see them in the chart, but doesn't really matter in my opinion, because you can just always see them down here. And of course, you can at any point also edit them and switch up these numbers that way. Very simple. Closing a position is also very simple. Just click on market, choose how much percent you want to close, and you're out of the position at any point. So overall, I would say definitely a very structured, very simple cat platform. I absolutely like it. You have all the features you need, and it's really simple to get into it and understand everything. And it's focused on all of my needs I have when I want to leverage trade Bitcoin. Don't forget to create an account on Bitflex by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonuses possible on the platform. And of course, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.